Today will be a great class, and I hope that you are going to enjoy yourself, because today I'm going to talk about 100 most common English verbs. So say they this video, but in this video I'm going to teach you 10 verbs, 10 common English verbs. Je vais vous enseigner 10 verbes qui communs. Okay? But first of all, I want you to take your time and to pronounce them. Take your time to pronounce them. Pwononse, prononcer, right?
Il y a plusieurs types de bananes plantées maternes. On peut les bouillir ou les frire. Graphique banane qu'on mange au petit déjeuner est très sucré. On fait papita avec banane tout. Et puis give farine banane pour faire la bouillie. J'ai banane verte là, les bords, y'a bon banana. Et les amis, viens déguster avec là. Il a pour tous les goûts.
Are you ready to learn with me?
Yes, teacher.
Sounds amazing. All right. So first of all, we got the number, and after we have the infinitive, simple past, past participle, and the definition. Okay. But I want you to read for me them. Let's go. Number, infinitive,
Infinitive.
infinitive,
Infinitive.
infinitive,
Infinitive.
simple past,
Simple past.
past participle,
Past participle.
definition,
Definition.
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 All right. To start,
To start.
to start,
To start.
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 Okay. Simple past is started,
Simple past is started.
started,
Started.
started,
Started.
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 Past participle is the same. You say started, started.
Started.
I think that it might be a little bit tricky, but try to say it the same way I say it. Okay, look at me. Start.
Start.
Vous connaissez start veut dire qui ça?
Commencer.
Commencer. Si me dit, moi commence un bagay, comme gars dit ça?
I start something.
I start something. All right. Si me dit m'te commence un bagay, m'a dit
I started.
I started. Okay. To start, started, like say d, started. Started. Okay, the next one is to show. Let's go to show.
To show.
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 Si me dit montre-moi, comme gars dit, show it to,
Show it to me.
show it to me. Si tu dis show me, si bon oui mais faut utiliser show it to.
To me.
Show it to me. Moi, je veux montrer me dit, I want you to show it.
To show me that.
Okay, you can say, I want you to show it to me, or to show that to?
That to me.
That to me. All right. To show. What is the past participle?
Show it.
Okay, you say show it. Okay. Show,
Show.
showed,
Showed.
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 Okay, the same thing. Like a d sound. So, je connais, participe passé verbe régulier yo avec prétéritio yo égal.
Okay.
Like the verb to start, started, started.
Yeah.
It is ended by ed, simple past, and the past participle is the same.
Yeah.
C'est même bagay là. All right. Before moving on, avant de continuer, I want you to say these two verbs for me.
To start.
To start,
Started.
started,
Started.
started.
To show.
To show,
Showed.
showed,
Showed.
showed. It has a D sound, right? D. All right. Here, to
To hear.
hear. Si me dit moi pas attendre,
I don't hear you.
I don't hear you. C'est même j'aime te gagner vouloir to want.
Yeah.
Si me dit moi vle attendre, me dit ah,
I want to hear you.
I want to hear you. Moi pas attendre.
I don't hear you.
I don't hear you. Unya, now, what is the preterite of to hear? You say heard.
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 Like
Heard.
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 Okay, Tande. Si mdi mwen te tado kom gazi.
I heard you.
I heard you. Okay. Okay, mais si m'gabzi mwen pat ka tande ou m'gabzi I didn't hear. Bagazi I didn't hear, no? Okay, we get the verb to?
To play.
To play. Oh, you got it.
Yeah.
The good sound. To?
To play.
To play. I think that you would say to play. No, it's not to play. It's the white way you say it. It's to play. To play, les jouer avec. Jouer.
Yeah.
Si m'di, mwen vle jouer avec ou.
I want to play with you.
I want to play with?
With you.
With you. All right. I want to play with you.
I want to play.
Is that people, Laura? I want to play with you. Okay. The past, the preterite is
Played.
played. Played.
Played.
Si m'di m'te joué à Timoun, comment on dit les enfants? Kids, pas vrai? Si m'di m'te joué, m'di I played with the kids. Il m'a dit kids, pas vrai? On dit qui ça même?
Kids.
Kids. Le passé de played, c'est lié encore?
Played.
Played. The past participle is the same, right?
Same.
You say?
Played.
Played. Jouer.
Yeah.
Okay. Si me dit, moi pas connais comment pour jouer. Oh,
I don't know how to play.
I don't know how to play. Okay. Quand on va dire, moi pas connais comment pour jouer basketball, ou bien volleyball, ou bien soccer.
I don't
Don't
know
know how to play soccer.
No.
That's okay. That's okay. I don't know how to play volleyball or soccer.
Basketball.
Basketball. Yeah. Okay, now we have 2-1. Let's go. 2-1.
2-1.
2-1.
2-1.
When.
When.
1.
1.
Well, the same sound, but it's when. When. I ran. Let's go. When.
When.
1.
1.
1.
1.
When.
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 1.
When.
When.
This is, yeah, when.
When.
1.
1.
Okay. Courir.
Yeah.
I'm running.
You, the past participle is not the same.
It's not the same. No, it's not the same. You got it. You see, but the past participle is the same with the infinitive.
Infinitive.
The infinitive. All right. After the next verb is
To move.
to move. Okay. For example, you put something somewhere and you are going to move it. You are going to get it where it is and put it somewhere, another place. All right. To put it in another place. Okay. For example, it's on the desk. You put it
On the table.
on the table. Now you move.
You move it.
You move it. But if yesterday you did the action, it's move.
Moved.
Moved. You say
Moved.
moved. Don't say move it. Say moved. Because this is move. You put the moved. Okay. Moved.
Move.
Moved. Okay. Pas déplacer. Parce que pour moi, c'est besoin.
Don't move it because I need it.
I need it. Don't move it because I need.
I need it.
I need it. Don't move it because I need it. All right. After they get to
To like.
like. Moi aime en pile.
I like you so much.
I like you so much. The past is
Like.
where is light.
Light.
Light
Light.
sound.
Really?
Say you wanna know why I say light?
Yes.
I will explain in the past when I'm going to talk about the regular verb. When you add ed, you can have a d sound, you can have a id sound, you can have a t sound. Because this is k, it's voiceless. When you add ed, it has a t sound. Okay.
Could you please explain it in clear?
Okay. Wala di light, m'pa di light parce que k lui-même li non voisé. Le m'a dit k par vibration, there is no vibration. Now let me ajoute when I add ed, now I have a t sound. I don't have a d sound. Parce que là, voilà. Est-ce que l'on met là? Put your hand. You see, there is a vibration.
Move.
Moved. When there is no vibration,
Like.
light.
Okay.
You get
I
it?
see.
You see it? All right. Light. 9.
To leave.
2.
It is not 9. It's 8.
It's 8. I'm done with this. I'm here. It's 8. All right, it's 8. All right. 8. To?
To live.
It's not to live, it's to live.
To live.
Yes. To live is like this. To live like L
L-E-A-V-E.
in English. L-E-A-V-E. All right. To live. Now it's to?
To live.
To live. Like an A sound. To live. Habiter. On dit que ça? Lived. Okay, lived. You hear me say?
Live.
Lived. Habiter. Qui compte habiter? Where do you
Live.
Where do you live? Moi quitter Saint-Marc, c'est to live, m'a dit kounya. I live somewhere.
Yeah.
I move. Yes, now c'est laisser, quitter. Dans ce sens, ça c'est habiter. Now we have to hold. Hold, let's go. Hold. Held. Held. Kembe, c'est ça on dit en français, tenir. Si me dit kembe, I hold my marker. Kembe. Okay, held. M'te kembe, m'te I held it.
Yes.
All right. The last one for this video number 1 is
To bring.
to bring. Si m'a dit porter pour moi, m'a dit
Bring it for me. Bring it to me.
to me, c'est bring to. Bring it to me.
Yeah.
C'est porter
Pour moi.
pour moi. Là me gagne what?
But.
Let's go what? What? Okay. So c'est porter mener.
I don't know to pronounce it in
Okay.
simple past.
And simple, okay, okay, let me show. Okay. Bring
Bring.
what?
What.
What?
What.
Oh, what?
What.
What?
What.
Okay, what?
What.
Okay, what?
What.
Okay. So let me try to make a recap, make a review, but
Yeah.
I want to see if you can pronounce that. Okay? Can you?
Yes.
All right. What about yourself? I'm not going to say anything. If you make a mistake, I'm going to help you fix it. All right? That's your turn.
To start. Started. Start.
Started. Mm-hmm.
Show.
To show.
Showed.
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 To hear.
To hear.
Hear.
Heard.
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 Heard. The sound is completely changed.
Yeah.
Okay.
To play.
To play.
Played.
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 To win.
To one.
To one.
One.
When.
When. When.
When.
It's when. Like when.
When.
One.
One.
Okay.
To move. Moved. Moved. To like. Liked. Liked.
Okay.
To live.
To.
To live.
To.
To live.
To live.
Lived.
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 To hold.
To hold.
Aired.
Held.
Aired.
Held.
To bring.
To bring.
Brought.
Brought. Okay, what I'm going to do right now, you are going to turn your face.
Yeah.
And you are going to say 5 of them. I want to see if you memorize them.
Yeah.
Okay, only 5 of them. Seulement 5 là-dedans.
Yes.
So try to have a glance. First, and after you are going to maybe bend your head or turn your face.
Okay.
What?
I prefer
You prefer bending your head. All right. So go ahead.
to start.
To start,
Started. You want only the infinitive or?
all infinitive, past participle, and simple past and past participle.
Okay. To start.
To start,
Started.
started,
Started.
started.
When.
Mm-hmm.
One.
One.
When.
Mm-hmm.
To bring.
To bring.
What.
What? Mm-hmm.
What.
What? Mm-hmm.
Hold.
To hold. Mm-hmm.
Held.
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 Held. 4. Your last one, I think. I don't know if I'm one. Oh. Don't cheat. Don't cheat.
To like.
To like.
Light.
You say?
Light.
Like.
Light.
To?
To light. To like.
To like. Okay. Okay. To like. Huh?
Liked.
Liked?
Liked.
Liked. Congratulations. Come here, come here. So it's all for today. I'm really, really happy today because you know 10 of them. It's a series of videos. We are 10. I'm going to come with 9 other videos.
Yes.
So I want you to memorize 100 most common English verbs. So I hope that you are going to speak English. If you want to speak it, you need to use these verbs, not only memorize or keep them like that, you have to go home and try to make your own sentence with each of them.
Yes.
So write them down in your notebook. I think that as soon as you get home, you are going to write them down. Make your own sentence. Don't be afraid to talk to your friend, your colleagues, whoever. So you need to create your English environment. Speak English.
Yes.
If the pleasure was mine today to talk to you or to teach you these verbs, so your job is go to practice that.
I'm so happy today for the class. Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. See you next.